2 p.m. Again, 4:52 p.m. Thursday, May 7th, 2020. Here we got NS222 going in at Buford to meet 370. Landlords into Charlotte, North Carolina, with a crew change in Greenville. All goes through Belmont, Charlotte. No, he won't. Two, 4, 6. Looks like a long train, guys. Going slow due to following NS370. So this train will pass, will go in at Buford to meet 370. The train in front of us is 371. So this train will pass by Buford, Fly Ranch, Oakwood, Gainesville, Beulah, Toccoa, Clemson, Greenville, Spartanburg. We'll also pass through Taylor, South Carolina, Easley, South Carolina, both engines are rebuilt. They are SD70ACU rebuilt from the SD90 Max and SD70ACC rebuilt from the SD70. Their train will also go through Gastonia. At Charlotte, these will go either to Charleston or to Chicago. And then from Chicago, they might go to Croxton, Denver, Albuquerque, Los Angeles, Seattle, Belleville, New Mexico. So at Chicago, they will get rehumped. I mean, yeah. Well, I meant flat. switch. You know, Charlotte, they will also get flat switch. Charlotte and Linwood. There it is. The end of the train. Going awfully slow, guys. EOT.